Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Hamza Tech. So in today's video I will talk about how you can make money online. So we'll have to open a Chrome. There I will search a website named Latium.org. This is another freelancing website like the Fiverr and Upwork. But those websites are very difficult to use, and to making a gig is very difficult on a Fiverr. And this is a new website for a beginner who wants to earn money as a freelancer. I just open the website latium.org. So here you can see many categories are available for you. For example, if you are a good graphic designer, you can make money on this website. The services are available 745, and if you are learn the course of digital marketing, its services available 285. And if you are a good content writer and you can convert English to Urdu or any language translation, you can use these website as a freelancer to give services to other. These services are available 1215. There is video and animation. If you are good at video and animation, you can make money by giving your services in this website to your client. So as you scroll down to the website, there are many gigs are available for you. You can make these gig for you to earn money. Like I will design eye-catchy YouTube thumbnail. If you have that skill of making YouTube thumbnails, you can give these services to the clients, to the YouTubers, and you can become their manager, become their YouTube manager, and that will help you to make money up to 20 to 25,000 per month by just giving 1 or 2 hours a day. If you have some other skill, like I will do creative logo design, it's a he's creating logos for your website or for your YouTube thumbnails, for your YouTube channels. If you have that skill, you can make money from this amazing website named latium.org. So how you can log in here? If you already had account, you can log in here like this. You just have to put your email or username and put the password and log in. If you don't have account on this website, you can sign up here. As you just have to put the email, continue, and then you will put the password. It will automatically creates your account on this website, and then you can make a gig. And whatever you skill you have, you can provide services to the client and can make money online. If you don't have any skill, you can search on YouTube how to make YouTube thumbnails. There will be videos available for you. From there you can learn, and then you can sell these services on this website. I think my video is ended. This video will help you to make money online if you are a beginner. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.